Okay, we're going to look at this now, the \s, which stands for any white space character. Now, a white space character can be a space, or it can be a tab. It can even be a new line character. Now, let's take a look. By the way, the \S means any non-white space character. So let's take a look over here. And you really can't tell what I've got here. But what I've got is a space bar, just a space here. I've got a single tab here, 2 tabs here. I've got 3 tabs here. And then down here I have a space character and then 3 tabs. So you kind of have to remember what these are in order for this to work. Okay, let's do a \s. Oh, sure enough, you can see this. Now, you can see that this down here is a space character, and then these are tab characters. You can see by the length of these. So I've got space, tab, tab, tab. Over here I've got, I have a space, tab, tab, tab. I did not mean to do that. Let's take that space out of there. I've got a tab, tab, tab. 2 tabs here, 1 tab here, and a space here. All right, let's take a look at what happens if I say, well, I only want 2 instances of this. So 2 spaces. Well, now I don't have two white space characters here. I don't have 2 white space characters here. That was a single tab. But I do have 2 here. And now they look like one item here because they're actually grouped together. In other words, each of these colors is a group. And then I've got 2 tabs here. I can't use this one because this middle one is being used up by the first one. I've got 2 in a row there. And then down here I've got a single character and a tab, and that's represented by this short one, and then 2 tabs represented by this long one over here. Well, that's kind of interesting. Let's put the H. Well, no, let's actually put another O after that, and let's say any number of O's, and remember we did that with the asterisk, and then an H, and then the exclamation point. So now you can see I've got any time that I have exactly 2 white spaces, and then any number of O's, and then an H. So in that case, I've got 2 here. I only have 1 here. I've got 2 here, even though there's a tab here, and over here I've got both a tab and a space character. So you can see that only when I have exactly 2 of these, and then any number of O's, and then an H and an exclamation point. So just for fun, let's make this 3. Well, I got the wrong one there. There we go, 3. And now this only occurs, whoops, I've got the wrong symbol there. Let's try that again. There we go. Now this only occurs where there are 3 white space characters. And you can see that this one has 4 white space characters, that there's a space there. I could only see that if I change that to a 4. Then only that one exists. 4 in a row, white space characters. And then any number of O's and an H. And then an exclamation point. Pretty cool, huh? Now, remember that if I make this uppercase S, then only where there are no spaces and then an H and an exclamation point. Let's take all those out, and now I have everything that has 4 of not a white space character. Let's take the 4 out. Everything that is a non-white space character there.